So alright people, namaskara and welcome back to the channel Wanderers Tales. So we have Avyu here.
Hi.
So what did you guys do, Avyu, for the previous 2 days in Copenhagen?
Christopher Bird Palace, and on the second day went to Amalienburg Palace to see the guard change, and we also went to Econo.
So today is the third day
Yeah.
and we are heading to Sweden. So we'll go to Sweden and start exploring Sweden. So our first point is Oresund Bridge, which is about 60 kilometers from our home. So it should take around 50 minutes drive. So we are on the way. Vasu, Dilip and Adrika are in another car. In Kansu, Dilip. Over there we can see the Oresund Bridge, which connects Copenhagen and Sweden. And this way you can see the Torso Tower.
So we have come to the Oresund Beach viewpoint. We've been here before also, so we just got my cousin family here. This is just to click pictures. You can see the train trial Oresund Beach view you get here. So we've clicked some Instagrammable pictures, and now we're moving further to a place called Ystad. It's beach and you have colorful homes there. So this is our first time heading to Ystad. It's about 100 kilometers from here. So let's go and see what we find there. So we have reached Ystad now. Currently Ystad is known for walking street. You can take good pictures, and then there is a beach point here. So we're still deciding should we take the beach here or go further ahead. So we will now explore Ystad walking street. Let's see what we'll be able to find here. Lot of shops here. The rates, I mean, we found clothes, home furnitures, regular groceries, and other things, and there's a lot of eating joints. The rates kind of are slightly cheaper when compared to Copenhagen, but otherwise it's a full shopping street.
Ystad is the most charming coastal towns of Sweden. Walking down the shopping street here feels like stepping back in time, with medieval houses, boutique stores, and cozy cafes lined up. It's not just about shopping, it's about strolling, slowly window shopping, and soaking in the atmosphere.
So now we have reached a medieval church in Ystad. This is actually Saint Mary's Church. So this is a Lutheran church and the main church of the city. This is considered as the oldest building of Ystad, probably dates back to 1200. So this church has a unique tradition. There is a watchman in the tower who blows the bugle for every quarter of the time between 9 and 1 p.m. So this is a tradition which has come from probably way back 1748.
This stunning Gothic church has stood here since the 13th century. Step inside and you are greeted with beautiful ceilings, intricate woodwork, and sunlight streaming through the stained glass. There is something really peaceful about this place. The bells still ring out every day, keeping a tradition alive that has been going on for centuries. It's more than just a church, it's a piece of Ystad's living history.
we have now left the church and we've come behind the church, and this is supposedly the most Instagrammable spot in Neustadt or Istad. And
We have taken a lot of pictures and
Yes, and
almost we
videos.
have spent 2 hours for taking pictures.
so this is how it looks, and yeah, it's very beautiful and very Instagrammable worthy. So if you're looking for some nice pics or to take some nice pics, then this is definitely a spot that we would recommend. So do come here and do visit this place.
One of the highlights of Istad is its charming colorful houses that seem straight out of the storybook. The town is famous for its half-timbered medieval houses often painted in warm shades, yellow, reds and soft blues. Many of these houses have sloping roofs, wooden shutters and cobblestone paths, giving the street a cozy, timeless feel. Walking through Istad, you will notice the attention to detail in every home. Each house tells a story of the town's history, blending medieval architecture with modern touches. Alright people, we are done with Istad. We are done with our lunch in a Thai restaurant here in Istad.
ಈ ಸಲ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು.
Very aesthetic.
But I must say that the place Istad is very good to visit as a day trip, and you have a lot of things to do here. You have a lot of shops here, and there is also a famous beach near to this. You can also go and visit there. But for time being, I think we are going back to Viking Museum, which is near Malmo. So the Viking Museum is closing at around 5 o'clock, and right on the time is almost 3 o'clock. So let's see if we can visit the Viking Museum or not.
There has been a little confusion in the itinerary. We are supposed to head towards Viking Museum or Viking Village from here, but apparently the village closes by 5 p.m. and now the time is already 3:15. It's about 1.5 hours roughly from here, so looks like we will almost reach at the time of the closure. So we are not very sure if we want to go there or should we head towards the beach so we are kind of checking our itinerary and plans and see what we want to do. So let's see where we go further and explore Sweden today. So we've come to a beach called Saltsjöbaden in Istad, Sweden. So this is how it looks. It's apparently is a little ferocious, so we could see large waves coming in. So currently we are just enjoying the aura here where my family is sleeping, and here they are at the water. So it's a combined thing going on. So let's see what we do here. We don't have pretty much other plans now. After we finish here, we will go to Malmo and go to the mall there and probably to the beach again then.
It engulfed us almost.
Really?
Yeah. Illivergu bantu.
Howda?
But and now I know why. Because like when it goes fully back, then you know that there's a big wave that's gonna come. So this is Simba's palace. So this is the good one.
This is the Simba's palace, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, this is the enemy palace. So the enemies, they're trying to attack Simba.
Okay. From this palace, they are attacking Simba.
But Simba's soldiers are protecting him.
Okay.
So these flags, they represent Simba. Yeah.
We can shake our hands. ಈ ಥರ. We can shake our hands. Well, we have now reached Malmo and we just visited the turning torso, which you can see here. We had already visited this place before, so we had taken some pictures. We have taken some pictures for now, and now we are heading towards the beach. So before that, we will have some coffee here because we didn't have coffee. We didn't have coffee the whole day. In Malmo, the vibe completely shifts. On summer evening, the seaside here turns into giant dance floor. Salsa music fills in the air and couples dance as the sun sets behind the Öresund bridge. The sea breeze, the music, the energy, it feels like Malmo has borrowed a little soul from Havana. What I love the most is that you don't need to be a pro to join in. It's open, it's fun, and it's all about the community. This is where culture and joy come together by the sea.